What's up guys, it's me Geek from Africa. Currently I'm in Africa, Rwanda, East Africa. So the question is that do you really need to eject your USB flash drive? Definitely yes. If you're using the crappy Mac OS or the not so crappy, my beloved Linux, then definitely yes. In Windows, it's up to you. Here's why. Normally whenever you're trying to copying some file, it tells you it's 100% completed, but still there are some few tasks which are going behind. For example, 1 GB file, it tells me 100% completed GB, but still there's some kind of writing of the cache is going on to improve the speed. There's like 30 seconds left which we don't know, we just pull out. Sometimes the data can become corrupt. It's rare, okay, it's rare in Windows world. Sometimes the data can get lost, but in Mac OS and Linux this is more a big problem than in the Windows world, to be honest with you. Windows is more intelligent than the Linux and the Mac OS for this for this purpose. In Mac OS, if you just without ejecting your USB, in Linux without like Ubuntu without ejecting your USB, it's just going to be honest with you, corrupt your data. To be honest with you, it's going to corrupt your data. It's going to get the data loss. My answer will be to you, just click the eject button. What's the big problem? Just click the eject button. You just need to pay small price of waiting few seconds. Just go to my computer, even for Windows, just click the eject button and sayonara. Your data is 100% written, your data is 100% nearly corrupt free, 100% free of data loss. I always use eject USB. I wanna hear from you. What do you use? What do you use? Also check out the links in the description box below. You don't wanna like my Facebook page? Oh, this is a frequency, I love it. You don't wanna like my Facebook page? You don't wanna check out the links in the description box below? Make sure to check out. Bye.